From sparks flying to students racing against the clock, STVT's Welding Wars is bringing the heat back to Weslaco.
This is an opportunity for them to show their skill sets, their CTE programs, and to come and compete, but also really interact with employers in the industry so that students are exposed to them.
While the competition may look intense, the mission behind is bigger than the welders themselves.
It gives our high school students an opportunity for them to interact with the employers in the industry across the state of Texas and outside of Texas that we have here today.
Industry leaders from all over came out to scout talent, giving students a chance to make connections before they even graduate. But it's not just a competition. There's fun for the whole family. With live music, food vendors, local markets, and all families are welcome to come and support their kiddos. For STVT instructors, seeing students out here competing and even alumni judging the event is proof the hard work pays off.
It gives them a light at the end of the tunnel, per se.
Some former competitors have already come full circle.
I got a graduate that's a judge. I got another graduate that was one of my students way back in 2018.
That's because with STVT, students aren't just treated like students.
They call it work. They come here not only to learn, but we teach them how to work. We have employers who love our graduates. We have an employer who about 50% of the workforce is nothing but STVT Weslaco graduates.
And if you missed this year's Welding Wars, don't you worry. High schools can start calling to be added to the list next year today.
We invite them to come on down to cheer on their students, to cheer on the local high schools.
So what are you waiting for? A competition built on the future of welding, skill, and a whole lot of Valley pride. It's time to start prepping for the Welding Wars and registering at STVT today. For Take 5, I'm Brandon Rualcaba.